and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Church demands postponement of Panchayat election. Government says they will empower Election Commission with delimitation after the election. Youth Congress tells government to shift Navy to Mopa, make Dabolim an international airport. GPCC Secretary demands removal of PM Manmohan Singh. Goa Citizens Welfare Trust reveals the living condition of senior citizens and orphans in state-run hospitable homes. Providoria-run institutions under scanner. And state government in its affidavit clear stand to reconsider issue of grants to English primary schools and MOI. Force says let parents choose MOI for their children. BBSM to meet Parrikar soon. Now the news in detail. Villagers have demanded postponement of Panchayat election due to irregularities in delimitation and reservation of wards. They also demanded formation of new rules on delimitation and reservation of wards. The decision was taken after public meeting of church organization in Caritas Hall on Saturday. The report of the public meeting would be submitted to the government. Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar says that after the Panchayat election, government would make changes in the Panchayat Act so that State Election Commission is empowered to do the delimitation and reservation of wards.
Executive Coordinator of Council for Social Justice and Peace said that they would boycott the election if the government does not consider their demand.
ह्या पब्लिक ह्या हियरिंगान जे पार्टिसिपेट जाले त्यांचं हे म्हणणें आसा की हे इलेक्शन स्टॉप करचे ताबडतोब हे रुल्स फ्रेम करचे डिलिमिटेशनाचे आनी रिजर्वेशनाचे आनी त्या उपरांतूच इलेक्शन सारके डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करपाचें. आतां ह्या हो रिपोर्ट आयचो तयार करून आमी सरकाराक दिता त्या दिसा सावन 7 दीस सरकाराक दिवपाचें म्हणून सांगला लोकांनी. त्या उपरांत सरकार कानार घेयना जाल्यार अपील करतले की हे पंचायत इलेक्शन बॉयकॉट करा म्हणून.
Villagers claim that houses in wards have been split into different wards without following geographical continuity.
The houses in the ward are split into different wards with no geographical continuity. Some people in one houses are voting in one ward and the other people are voting in another ward. Suppose if there is any issue like garbage issue, okay, the ward the citizens will not know whether to approach the people whom they have voted for or the people whom in whose geographically their house is.
Lakshmikant Parsekar said that after the Panchayat election, government would make changes in the Panchayat Act so that State Election Commission is empowered to do the delimitation and reservation of wards.
पंचायत सेक्रेटरीनी ही आजनेरी केल्ली आसा आनी म्हाका केल्ली आसा ही कळूनय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिक्वायरमेंट आसली त्यामुळे काही जणांनी आजनेरी केली म्हणून इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन करणे म्हाका शक्य नसले. जे सेक्रेटरी बीडीओ डायरेक्टर अशी जी हे आसा आनी पंचायत डायरेक्टरेटा कडेन ज्यो ह्यो गोष्टी उरतात म्हाका दिसता की ते इंडिपेंडंट इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन ह्यो गोष्टी वचूंक जाय आनी ताच्या खातीर पंचायतीच्या घटनेत सुद्धा पंचायत राज एक्टांत सुद्धा जर थोडो बदल करचो पडलो जाल्यार आय एम फ्री फॉर दॅट करपाक कांयच हरकत ना. इलेक्शन कमिशन जे इंडिपेंडंट एंटिटी आसता तेणीच हे डिलिमिटेशन आनी रिजर्वेशन करप हे जास्त बरें आनी ते जास्त न्याय्य आसा अशें म्हजें मत आसा. इलेक्शन जालें म्हणजे विशय सोंपलो न्ही. इलेक्शन जातकीर कोणे कोणे खंय खंय ही मस्ती केल्या आजनेरी केल्या हेचो अभ्यास करचो पडटलो.
A video journalist from Panji, Prajot Pednekar.
Youth Congress has demanded that Dabolim airport must be made public and Mopa airport be given to Navy. They also demanded that government should take a decision on the medium of instruction issue before the commencement of the academic year. Meanwhile, a GPCC secretary has written a letter to the party president Sonia Gandhi requesting her to change the Prime Minister. Burman says that Prime Minister needs to be changed for winning the next Lok Sabha elections in 2014.
Youth Congress President Pratima Coutinho said that Dabolim Airport must be made public and suggested that Mopa Airport be given to Navy. She also said that government should take decision on MOI before commencement of the academic year.
That government should prepare a feasibility report of having 2 airports in Goa, where the Dabolim and Mopa can be sustained. Because tourism देखून इफेक्ट जातले आमचे. जशें हांवें सांगलां, tourism कशें इफेक्ट जातले म्हळ्यार हॉटेल्स आसा सावथान, शॅक्स आसा आमचे, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स, आमची इकॉनॉमी म्हणजे tourism will be affected. So I feel that it will be better that land which is acquired by Mopa, it will be wiser to shift the navy base in the Mopa. We should have an international airport. So why not keep it in Dabolim, and we'll be making a representation to the civil aviation and aviation ministry and the defense ministry also. Regarding the MOI issue, I feel when the people have given mandate to the BJP government, they should really sit and resolve this issue, because the next academic year is starting in a month's time, because it's a very sensitive issue, and they should take care of the parents. Parentsanक जे जाय पळय इंग्लीश जाल्यार इंग्लीश, हे पेरंट्साक हॅपी करूंक भुरग्यांचें कितें बरें जाता तें चिंतून हांव मागता की बीजेपीन हें करपाक जाय म्हणून, बिकॉज आनी एक म्हयनो देखून उरुना जाल्यार परतून एकाडेमीक स्टार्ट जातलें एंड दीस इश्यू विल बी ड्रॅग्ड अपॉन.
GPCC Secretary Milan Burman has written letter to party President Sonia Gandhi requesting her to change the Prime Minister. He says that Prime Minister did not succeed in controlling price rise. He also says that there is need for major revamp in the party. Burman says that Prime Minister needs to be changed for winning the Lok Sabha elections in 2014. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar with Rohan Dacosta.
The aged and orphans living in the state-run old age homes are living in hard and inhuman conditions, and this deplorable condition has been exposed by the members of Goa Citizens Welfare Trust, who conducted surprise checks in all Providoria-run institutions in the state. The word Providoria means assistance, but it's far from what the government-run institution with the name provides. Watch this report.
This is a shocking state of affairs in the old age homes and orphanages run by Providoria. These government-run institutions have no proper sanitary conditions. The food provided is not fit for human consumption, and the living conditions are pathetic and unhygienic to say the least. The beds that they sleep are infested with bed bugs. The servants employed here also double up as cooks, while the inmates themselves engage in shaving each other in the absence of a barber. The inmates also complain of harassment by the government staff employed in these institutions. Here is what one aged woman had to say.
मारलं तुका मारले तुका फाडले तुका तुझो नाईटी हां कोण ये ना तू फोटिंग मारना माय तू फोटिंग मारना.
The members of the trust who carried out the surprise check have threatened to resort to a hunger strike if the government does not initiate action within 8 days.
If action is not taken by the government, we have given Shri Manohar Parrikar, RCN, not 1 week. He had asked us for 1 week. We have given him 4 weeks and still nothing has happened. If we do not get action in 8 days' time, we are going to go to the street, we are going to go and collect in front of Providoria in Panjim, and we are going to be going on a hunger strike. If our parents can be hungry, we can also be hungry.
Our reporter from Panaji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
B.V. Vanchu has been appointed as the new governor of Goa. He currently heads the Special Protection Group. He is an IPS officer. 4 other governors have also been appointed on Saturday. Margaret Alva, who was the former observer of Goa Congress, is now the governor of Rajasthan. Shankar Narayan continues to be the governor of Maharashtra, and Aziz Qureshi of Uttarakhand.
After the tenure of S.S. Sidhu as the governor of Goa, Shankar Narayanan was given additional charge of Goa in September 2011. Now, Goa would have a full-time governor. B.V. Vanchu is appointed as the new governor of Goa. B.V. Vanchu is an IPS cadre currently holding the post of a Special Protection Group. Now he is appointed as the new governor of Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.